Hi, I'm Diana. I'm a librarian here at the Anacortes Public Library, which you now have access to using your student ID number. So since right now you can't always come to the library with your class, we thought we would bring the library to you. Want to come check it out? So the first thing that you might want to know is where to return your books, which is right over there. It's real easy. It's so easy, sometimes people forget it, so we thought we'd point it out. We have public computers, not that you need them because you all have your own laptops, of course, but if you ever do, they're right over here. And then right here we have a self-check. So when you're getting books, you don't even have to say hi to a librarian, although of course I hope you will. On the other side of the wall there are our new books, which might have things that you want to check out and see. A lot of times they have current events, or if a book's really popular in the media, it's going to be there. And then if you put a book on hold, you just grab it right here. It'll be under your last name. But the best part of the library is back here. Right here under the stairs is our teen zone. And the first thing that you'll see are all of our new books. Best part of my job, besides when I see you guys here, is getting to order all the books for this department. So you'll find all the different genres, fantasy, of course, sci-fi, anything. And then on the other side here, people forget this, are all the graphic novels and nonfiction. So this is where you'll find graphic novels, manga, and things that might be helpful for life or homework or whatever else, nonfiction stuff. That's where all the new things are. And then the rest of the collection is here. And there's a couple things that have changed since you've been in here before. So I wanted to let you know that often we work with your teachers to find out what it is that you're studying or if you have certain assignments. Right now, the middle school is doing fantasy books, so we have a bunch of them pulled. So if we know what you guys are looking for, we'll already have it ready for you. So coming to the library is a good place to start when you get an assignment. And then if something's going on, right now it's Black History Month, we have a Black History display. And then over here, all of this is fiction. And then over here is nonfiction. So not the new stuff, but a whole bunch of great stuff. And I try to have as many current books as I can. The other cool thing is if there's something that we don't have that you want, or there's a topic you want to know about, we can order it. And honestly, if you want it, we'll get it as long as it's available. But the rest of this is graphic novels. And I know it used to be where all the manga was, so I want to take a second and show you that there's a new spot for that. And that's because we're going to be expanding the teen section of the library. It's not happening right away because COVID's delayed everything, as you know, but it's going to happen soon. So in the meantime, we want to go ahead and claim the space for you guys. So if you come around here, and I know this has always had all of the teen books, you know, the backside is all the other fiction, but now over here, this entire wall is the manga, right? So that means that all of the teen manga is here, and I know that section will continue to get more and more books, but there's also a great spot to study right here. And then if you didn't know, there are study rooms that you can use anytime the library is open. You can reserve them in advance if you have a group project, or you can just come and ask us. This is the big one right here. There's two of those that you can come and study with friends or I mean, you don't have to study. You can come and do video games if you want, if you've got them. But speaking of video games, we have other things in the library besides books. I know your teachers probably say that all the time, but we really do. Sorry, teachers, this might not be totally the study thing, but we have fun stuff too. We have some video games. We take requests, so if there's one that you want that you haven't been able to get or try out, let us know. Right now we have PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and Xbox, but tell us what you want. Honestly, here at the library, we work for you. We want to make sure that you have what you need. We want to make sure you can use your library card. That's why we worked so hard to make sure it was just your ID number, so you didn't have to memorize another number. There's a couple things that are really important that I want you to remember from this. The first is that even if you don't have your ID card or you don't remember your number, you can always ask us and we'll look you up. You're in the system, we'll look it up, it's not a problem. We also have a lot of digital resources that I know your teachers are talking about, but the thing to know about that is you can log into all of those from anywhere that you have the internet. You can log into them on your school device, on your personal device. You have up to 10 checkouts of stuff in the library, as well as on Hoopla. You have access to Libby, you have access to all of our databases, but most importantly, you have access to us, the librarians. So talk to your librarians at school, come and see us, we're working together, and I hope to see you in the library very soon.